So my name is Fabian Met and I'm one of the founders and current CTO of Fullstaq. Fullstaq is a company that helps our customers succeed in cloud native. We do that by delivering professional services, but we also do that by delivering hands-on training for people that want to learn. And that's what we use Instruqt for. We started out with our training by just building VMs and building everything ourselves. And we came to a point where that wasn't flexible enough anymore. So we started searching and one thing led to another, and now we have successful trainings in Instruqt. We are expanding on the instructor-led training. So we got Kubernetes now, but there's more to come real soon. So when we started out with VMs, we came to a point where we wanted people to be able to do a task and then check the task and see if they did okay. So I was in a split whether I would write that myself or search for a product. And before I even started writing it myself, along came Instruqt, and it turns out that it was exactly what we needed at that time. Yeah, so there's no startup anymore to training. Since I do the training about once a month, I can just go to a class right now, any amount of students, and give the same training, where before I would need to prepare the environment, prepare everything. Now it's a lot easier, much less setup, much less making sure that people's laptops could do anything, because now all they need is a browser. All they need is a browser, so it's very easy to get started. Their entire environment is set up, they've got all the tools they need, and they can immediately just get started. So it's easy to use. They just log in, I invite them, and then they get access. So far everyone's really enjoying it. So for me it was easily being able to set up environments for X amount of students, where X is variable. So it can be 2 or it can be 25. I wanted that to be as easy as possible, and I wanted it to be easy to start making and then also expand upon the steps that they would need to take in a specific lab. Along with the check scripts, it's really good. Yeah, we didn't really consider other options besides writing it ourselves, so it saved me a whole bunch of hassle writing it myself. Well, it really depends on how big you are, how much you want to achieve, how much you can achieve, to decide whether or not you want to build it yourself or not. We were in a situation where it just wasn't feasible to build ourselves. It would cost way too much time, and it just set us back a lot. So it depends on your size. And if you're a company that wants to get started with instructor-led training as well, then Instruqt is an easy way to get started. That I can build these tracks as if I'm a developer. So I can do everything from the command line. I don't need to use the website. I can just work with what I'm comfortable with. If you're serious about doing training properly and without a lot of headache, then I would consider using Instruqt. So anyone that wants to learn something in our space, in the IT space, learns by actually doing it, by getting chunks of steps. So you have a lab that consists of multiple assignments. And if you structure those correctly, that's way more efficient than publishing a book or a movie, because people can actually toy around with the environments.